Stop what you are doing, because this stock just surged 500% and you missed it.
Chipmaker CXMT soars more than 400% on its blockbuster trading debut.
And then the emails pile in. Bravo! Should I FOMO? Is this the next PLTR? Well, I'll show you. If you haven't learned anything in the last few weeks, dude, you're probably learning it now, especially where people are like, you got to go overseas. Asian markets, do not buy anything in the U.S. I say you can buy whatever you want. Just depends on what the charts are saying. And there is a new hotline being set up. I have to be very careful with my words because YouTube, it will be a no-no. Just in South Korea, I'm sorry. This is now an emergency meeting. South Korean market is crashing so much, the government had to launch a sushi prevention hotline. KOSPI crashed it's like 30%. It's just like, how's today? Well, how about some circuit breakers? Well, there you have it. We have emergency meetings. We have hotlines. What are we going to do? Is this NVIDIA? I need to make more money. I'm starving over here, Bravo. Keep going up. They keep telling me that they're going down. Yes, they are lying to you. It is all one big, gigantic lie. I mean, Fauci's supposed to be talking today. That's not happening. Plead the fifth. Sorry, you've already been pardoned. Have a nice day. Dog and Pony Show will continue. We have lies from the government, lies from the Fed, lies from... It's like one big sack of lies. It's like the movie Elf. I'll just sit on their throne of lies as the Fed chairman, Kevin, on interest rate decisions. This entire thing is one big dumpster fire of a lie. Want to know what he's going to do? Nothing. Do you want to know what he should do? Follow the 2-year. He needs to raise rates. Trump is like, take them to zero. Sir, that's not how it works. It's the bond market. You can take it to zero, won't change a thing. Well, except that people would then really start asking questions like you did in 2020, right? You're like, this just all isn't adding up. These people don't have my back. They are all lying to me. Everyone that you voted for, the Bidens, that just pardoned this guy for, I don't know how many people are now not living. He was also on board with the current guy, which would be the no wars guy, would be the prices come down guy, inflation come down guy, interest rates come down. But again, welcome to the book of lies. Then everyone gets excited when they see things like this. 466%. All right, I guess it's Jenny Lee. I guess it's time to go all in. What you have to say, Jenny Lee?
More than 470% at the open in the first few minutes, and now it's up more than 530%. That's lifting its market cap to more than $480 billion, even in the opening minutes, and making it the most valuable listed company by market cap.
And shut up. I'll tell you how it works. You ain't getting 531%. I mean, I do. Well, sure you do. Yes. I have founders shares. Yes, I do. Of an AI company that I bought at pennies on the dollar. Before even IPO, it was already a 10-bagger. It IPOs, and you can't even get it at that price anyway. So just relax. If you know what you're doing with leverage, not difficult. My gosh, YouTuber used the leverage word. Warren Buffett says no leverage. Actually, Charlie Munger. Sorry, Charlie. Well, that was bad too. Too early. He was all in on leverage. If you know what you're doing, but no one, and I say, cue the fire. No one knows what they're doing because they're like, I guess it's time to get in. I mean, just a minute ago, it was 466. Now it's 531. Cindy Lee has me pumped. But wait, hold on. New York Post is now calling this a ticking time bomb. Okay, now what? Hey, who's making out? Sorry, I'm having a squirrel moment. I don't know. So let me help you with trading this stock, which in no way, shape, or form would I be trading this. And look at this doji just just sitting there. Well, what does that mean? I'll say it's not good. Well, if you are currently on the wrong side of this, which I go over here, see, we have live trading. We have Thor's hammer. We have triangles. Hold on, I'll get to that in a second. We have candles. We have dojis. That's what I'm showing you right now. It's in the course. They're very explosive. Kind of like that lettuce now that's supposedly explosive. Well, on the backside, if you eat it, you know it's bad when doctors are like, it's explosive. They eat right. Yeah, I'm vegetarian, vegan. I eat salads all day long, and I was hospitalized. The dude who eats Snickers bars every day, I read nothing about Skittles, or it's always vegetables. Anywho, is this is not tradable. Even if you were to have traded this on the doji on the first day, you're only in here. This is it. Just because, who knows? One Yahoo there, another Yahoo there. I don't know. This is where the activity was happening. And even from here, let's say you get it from here to here. Congratulations, you're up 6.9. It's always 69. Also, if you want to know how to do all this, like I said, $2.99 for this beautiful course that has not so beautiful me in it. One's opening range breakout. I get what I'm going to share with you right now. This is how I make truckloads of money on this. So do my students. How many? 50 to 60,000 students. I get emails every single day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Every day I trade this. This was live this morning. One of my students is like, oh, here we go. Opening range breakout. I said, yeah, he made some money. And I said, it's bigger than that. This is a triangle. It was currently right here. I said, I ain't touching it yet. I am going to wait for it to, because if it breaks that side, it's going to rip your face off. Break that side, you measure it from here to here, and I will be right 100% of the time, and my digits will go up. So then it broke. I wanted a discount because I knew it would come back up and get it filled. It did. So known as confirmation. Well, what happened after that? Well, you're under the 200. You broke a triangle, and you are under the red line right there, which is the 20. This is an A setup. I will show you how to trade it, and then after it does its thing, it has a swing trade. You can rewind every single video. These are the same patterns, the same day. It has nothing to do with the Fed. Let me zoom in here so you guys can see it. We're going to do our little color change. Comes down, red, green, color change, go short there. Every morning, I'm going to say the same thing, and you're going to go, gosh, this guy really has something. Then you're going to have a red, a green. It's a color change. R, G, R. Here. On this move, I was it. Like, I'll show you what I did. I'll show you where my trade was, and then I don't care. My student kept going. I'm like, okay. You do you, boy. I'm going to measure it from there to there because that's like enough for me. And I'm going to pull it down. And yeah, that was good. I was changing my contracts. I was adding, I was making, scooping, making. But if it was just one contract from just here to here. Yes, I know it kept going down. That you walk away with $3,115 on one. Now you could keep playing the color change. This is not a color change. This is, you have to break this. You go down. This is your little color change. You break that. You go down. You break that. You go down. That would have been, you're in it for a while. And you still, I mean, you had it, but you probably had to give that one up. You still haven't had that sweet swing trade. This might be the double bottom that we're looking at. I'm going to guess, I'd put money on this. You clear that line right there, and here we go. It must be the Fed. So after your morning, I make money, and you're like, I'm waiting for I have software. You just, it's maybe $2 a day. Gives you all the stonks with the setups, and you could even, it's just like that. Oh, it's this one. Click. Oh, and then you turn the indicators on. You can even do like the Pelosi and the Trump trades, all the back end stuff. It's all there. It's it. Find easy swing trades. Ta-da! So many times, right? I'm like, oh, well, I know it's gonna go up. It's gonna have a double bottom. Then you just sit there, and then you get into a trade, and then it doesn't go your way. Also, you're under the 200, and you're under. Like, this is my no-no zone. These are not your A+ setups. So go just grab an A+ setup. Make some more moolah. Also, I think it is going to continue to get bad. If you pull back and you look at charts over the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P 500, and some people, I got some heat, and that's okay. That's why I do this. Is they're like, well, the S&P 500 was fine today. Oh, they're like brothers and sisters. Once one gets busted, y'all go down. It's like your brother sneaks out at night, and then he comes back. Parents catch him. But then, hey, did you have any involvement in this? You did, didn't you? Covered for him. You guys are both grounded. As next week, it's going to get bad. CTAs are selling in every scenario. The computers. And look at this. The market failed to hold opening move higher. On Monday and Tuesday when I was getting heat. Well, the Dow's fine. Guys, just shut. Zip. Oh, hey, look, Howard Bravo. How does he know this? Dow tumbles 800 points. Put that in your sippy cup and suck it. Also, for my friends out there that are like, Bravo, don't worry about all those haters. There are always going to be some. I know. I've traded crypto for a decade longer. To think, it was before I even started this channel. I was trading the crypto. I know what it is like for big swings and taking heat and getting in and getting out, and everyone was a bag holder. Do you see how everything changes? Go from trust the science, diamond hands, and here I am. Same thing. What goes up comes down. Understand the charts, and the whole world opens for you. Oh, and here's a live video of a crypto trader.
I lost $4 million in the casino in 7 years. $4 million.
$4 million? That seems like a lot.
That's a lot of money. Yes. But I enjoyed every moment of it.
Aren't you going to run out of money?
No.
And the insanity continues. Vegas. But at the end of the day, guys, you are Vegas. Just understand this. Take advantage of something that was the price of a textbook. Will bring you more value. Any university degree becoming an employee because you don't want to be an employee. It's okay. It's cool. If you like doing it, go ahead. I personally like to be in charge of my own ship. I just have to figure out how to get the word Titanic off the side of it. Anywho, with that, I will see you in the next trade.